Hello guys, and welcome you all to today's video. In this video we will be checking out amazing forex trading strategy for growing $50 accounts. Okay, amazing forex trading strategy for growing $50 accounts. This is very important because most people that are coming to my DM, they're asking me how to grow their small trading accounts easily without having hiccups. Okay, I will be sharing this strategy with you because most of us are starting small, so that we will know how to earn a little amount of money. Gradually we will be able to grow our trading capital to a reasonable amount of money where we can make a lot of a lot of profit from our trading capital. So these are some of the things that we will be checking out in this video. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course guys, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared there. Practice them, perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's move on to what we have right here. Okay, let's move on into what we have right here, which is amazing trading strategy for growing your $50 account. Okay, and of course, let me quickly say this: one of the things you need to focus on whenever you are trading is to know the right trend to go into the market. Your trend is always very important. Once you are very sure of the trend, then you should know your support and resistance zone very well, and of course you should also know a reasonable lot size for you to use whenever you are trading. These three things are very important. Okay, once you are able to combine these three things together, then you will be able to milk the market for yourself for a very long time, and it is a unique way of making some cool profits for yourself at the end of the day. So quickly, we will be checking out how we can use this strategy in order to make some cool cash for ourselves. So we will be focusing more on the breakout strategy. Okay, when a trend is just about to start, we can always check out for the breakout. When you look out for this breakout, then you should know that at that particular point there will be a lot of trending movement at that particular point. So let's go straight to the chart to see this right now. So we will be focusing more on boom 1000 indices because the capital is still very small at the moment. Okay, so quickly, let's check it out right here. You can see this is boom 1000, and we are doing the normal trending movement, which is going to be the sell movement. Okay, when we are focusing on the sell movement, then the market must be on downtrend. Okay, and if we are focusing on buy movement, then the market must be on uptrend at that particular point. And if you should check this out, this is at the resistance zone, and of course the market is already preparing itself to go into downtrend. And of course, all you just need to do is just to make sure you map out this ranging region, and this is the support zone where we have the horizontal line is the support zone. And you can also use this to map out where we may likely have the breakout using this trend line. Okay, you can use this, and you can see all you just need to do is just to wait for this breakout to happen right from there. Once it happens from there, then you can jump into the trade. And of course guys, this is very easy to do. And let's see on crash. Also, this is crash 1000. You can see that this is coming from a support zone, and you can use this to map out the trend line, the breakout area where you want to jump into the trade after the breakout. You can see, and when it happened that way, the market kept on going up and up. Okay guys, in case you don't know how to highlight some of these areas, okay, in case you are not good at highlighting, another way to go about it is by focusing your attention on the trading tools you are using. Okay, just make sure you understand the trading tools you are using very well, and of course it is able to give you those things in order for you to make the market successful. For a very good, for example, this is a very good example. Here I'm having the 3M trend Milka trading indicator on the chart, and this 3M trend Milka trading indicator is giving me the trend of the market. When it is having a red flag like this, it shows that the market is on downtrend. When it is having a yellowish flag like this, then it shows that the market is on uptrend at that particular point. And this has been on uptrend for a very long time, and it has been spiking and spiking. But at the top right here, we always have the resistance zone, while below the candle chart, then we always have the support zone. So at the top, we already noticed that it has got into a resistance zone, just the way we're seeing it right here. Sometimes it will break out from there, sometimes it won't break out from there, but right now it has not been able to break out from there. If you should notice, the market has been playing within this region, so I'm only expecting to either break out above it or it breaks out below the support zone. And unfortunately, it's actually broke out below the support zone, and we got our red signal right here, our red arrow signal right here, which signifies sell, with our trend, our red flag trend right here, which signify a downtrend. So both of them are in line with one another, so it means that the market is going on downtrend at that particular point, and this time is the best time for me to jump into the trade. Mind you, I am on 5-minute time frame. Okay, so you need to consider the time frame also whenever you are trading with small trading capital. If you are doing your analysis on higher time frame with a small trading capital, you might get it wrong if you are not very good with it. Okay, so that is very, very important. So right here you can see it started selling right from there. If you should do your calculation very well, this will give you a lot of profit. Okay, you can see it right there. And of course guys, I expect you to close your trade even before it gets to the support zone, because you should know that there should be a support zone around here. And of course definitely somewhere around here I put my horizontal line here because there was a support zone down there, and definitely it should it's most likely for it to repeat the same process. And you can see just below it spiked up at that particular point. So I expect you guys to have closed your profit at this particular point and dash out of the market right from there. Okay, because this would have given you enough profit for now. It would have given you enough profit because we are on 5-minute time frame. We can do the calculations together. First of all, let's get the number of candles gotten. That is about 20 candles. If we have gotten 25-minute candles, that is about 100 minutes, guys. That is about 100 minutes. If you are earning 50 cents per minute, that means 100 minutes times 50 cents, that is about $50 right there. Okay, am I right? Let me bring out the calculator so that we guys will be cleared about the calculations which I did right there. Okay, we got 20 candles right from there, so we want to convert it into minute. 20 times 5 will give us 100 minutes. Okay, and definitely we are earning 50 cents per minute times 0.5. okay, that also depends on the what was it called, it also depends on the lot size you are using. Okay, so this is giving us $50 at that particular point. That's a lot of profit for you at that particular point. And you can also do the same thing with crash 1000. This is crash 1000. This is coming from a support zone, and of course you should know that, okay, since it is coming from a support zone, it is most likely for it to buy for a very long time. All you just need to do is just to wait for the breakout. Okay, if you cannot identify the breakout, just wait for this yellow flag to pop up and also the buy arrow to pop up. Once it pops up and it is coming from a support zone like this, then definitely you can jump into the trade and buy. And I expect you to exit the market around here where we have the horizontal line, because here is a resistance zone that led to this pullback. So you should exit the market even before the resistance zone. So you should exit the market somewhere here. Okay, so if you should do the calculation right here, this should give you another number of candles right there. This is also on 5-minute time frame, and of course check it out. This is giving us 28 candles, even more than the first one we calculated. So this will also give you a lot of profit right from here. So guys, this is how you can make some cool profit for yourself. All you just need to do is just to master the strategy, and of course try to apply them whenever you are trading. Okay, and if you are not having this trading tool, you can contact me on WhatsApp and we can discuss on how you can get this. Okay, this is very, very important. Okay, my details to my WhatsApp, my WhatsApp details is in the description box below this video, and you can also comment in the comment section just to let us know what you are finding confusing, so that we can sort it out right from there, so that others can also benefit from it. Okay, this is very, very important. So I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.